EIR-21 loco is the world's oldest running loco. It was built up during 1855 and was in the service up to 1909. After that, it was taken out from the service and was kept as a monument at Jamalpur workshop. During 2010, that loco was brought to Loco Works and it was resurrected fully and made it full functional, and we are using during January 26th and August 15th as a heritage run to give awareness among the people and to make it popular, and as a heritage monument we are running in the open line. And previously we run between Egmore and Kodambakam and Chennai Centre and Avadi, and regularly we are maintaining in good fettle, and we are allowing people to see the loco, to know the heritage and the importance of this loco, and we are proud to have this loco in our workshop, and we are maintaining in full fledged with our expert team.